Preparing for medical PG entrance exams means tackling thousands of questions. But with so many questions, how do you decide what kind of questions to practice each day? That's exactly why filters were introduced on pre-PG, to give you complete control over your practice sessions. They make it easy to focus on the type of questions you want to solve, saving time and effort. You'll find filters right inside the workout section. Here, you can personalize your session in just a few taps, making your practice smarter, not harder. Let's explore every filter and how each one can level up your preparation. Want to test your ability to identify images from various subjects? Turn on image-based questions only and sharpen your visual interpretation skills. Need to focus on the most repeated and important concepts? Select high-yield questions and spend your time on what actually counts in medical PG entrance exams. A significant proportion of clinical questions were observed in recent NEET PG and INI CET exams. With the clinical questions filter, you can specifically practice clinically oriented questions to test real-world understanding. Use the recent year questions filter to review questions from the latest medical PG entrance exams, perfect for staying updated with current trends. Want to study questions from the latest 5-year window only? Activate the 2020 to 2025 questions filter to focus on the most relevant exam patterns and question styles. Preparing only for NEET PG or INISET and don't want PGI style questions? Just switch on no PGI questions and the system filters them out instantly. Hate seeing the same question twice? Enable no repeats and get a fresh set of questions every time you practice. Want an extra challenge? Use jumble options to shuffle the order of answer choices, great for testing true recall and reducing memorization bias. Here is our another filter which allows you to choose your difficulty preference. You can start with easier ones to build confidence or jump straight into difficult or very difficult questions for a real challenge. The adaptable difficulty preference lets you set the tone of your workout, your way. And finally, the exam pattern filter. With this, you can align your practice to any medical exam, NEET PG, INISET, PGI, JIPMER, NIMHANS, FMGE, or even NEXT. Choose one or multiple exams. Our app automatically curates questions matching their format and difficulty. Once you've set your filters, hit apply and start practicing instantly. Every question that appears now follows the exact filters you selected. Whether you're short on time or want to focus on a specific style, filters make sure every practice session is purposeful. Instead of solving random questions, filters help you practice with clarity and intent. They cut out the clutter, letting you concentrate only on what you choose to practice. It's not about doing more, it's about doing it right. So next time you open the workout section, don't just start practicing. Click on filters, set your preferences, and make your session count. With pre-PG's filters, practice your way anytime, anywhere.